In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a button in AppSheet. How to add button in AppSheet. We'll walk through building a simple button using AppSheet actions so you can trigger the behavior you want right from your app's interface. Start by opening your browser and going to appsheet.com. Once you're on the home page and in your account, you'll see your app collection. Use the Owned by Me filter to narrow the list to apps you control. Next, open the Apps section to view your full list, then pick the existing app you want to modify and click to open it in the editor. Inside the editor, look to the left sidebar. Under the Behavior category, choose Actions. This is where buttons are created and managed. Click the plus icon to add a new action. You'll be prompted to choose where this action lives. Select. Create a new action for the Reports table. That means the button will be available for rows and reports. Give your action a clear, descriptive name. A good name makes it easy to find later and helps teammates understand what it does. Now configure what the button should do. In the Do This option, choose the behavior that matches your goal. For example, navigating to a view, setting a column value, or running a grouped set of actions. Pick the option that best fits your scenario. Decide where the button should appear by setting its position to primary. Primary places the button in a prominent spot so users can easily find it in the view. If you need a less prominent placement later, you can adjust, but primary is great when you want strong visibility. Open the Display section to fine-tune how the button looks. Choose an action icon that visually communicates the purpose of the button. Consistent, intuitive icons help users recognize actions quickly. You can also confirm the display name here and make sure it reads naturally for your audience. When you're happy with the configuration, click Save. Saving applies your changes in the editor and makes the new button available according to the table and view settings you selected. That's it, your AppSheet button is now in place and ready for use within the app's reports data. Thanks for following along. With these steps, you can repeat the process for other tables and actions and keep your app's interface clear, consistent, and action-driven.